Hey guys, look what I got. Boom, another backpack. This one's a little bit bigger. And we're gonna do like a quick little review, show you how it works, all that good stuff. So, lots of zippers on this one. Start on the front. Got a little space here. Boom, more space. Look at that. Got one big one, couple small ones here. Yeah. Another one on the front. Oh, it doesn't go all the way down. It's just like a little pack there for maybe like a wallet, something like that. And we have water bottle holder, left side, and not on the right side as well. That's what I like. Both sides. Boom. There's also above there another zipper for. Let's see how far this goes. I guess it goes all the way down. So not a whole lot of room in there. Maybe you can fit a water bottle in there. Yeah. So what else do we have? We have more zippers on the side. So this one goes all the way through. And that's a lot of room for such a small bag. And in here, more room. So we got a little netting here. And in here we got a strap to hold stuff down and another space, maybe for like a laptop. Feels like a laptop sleeve thing. Another space right here. And yes, a lot of room. And what I love the most about this is the padding on the back. So it doesn't like wear on the shoulders too much. And we got another like little extra pack here in the padding. So there's padding on the back as well. Plus it's another room. So you could like put something in between here for extra space. So yeah, overall this backpack is not the biggest, but a lot of room in there. For the size, definitely. Plus it has cool padding. So yeah, overall super cool backpack, and yeah, happy with it. So that's my quick little review.